In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up YouTube stories using your phone. It's super simple and this is going to allow you to get more views through YouTube stories. Now you do need 10,000 subscribers, I believe, to have YouTube stories, so just bear that in mind. But it's definitely another great way to get more views through YouTube. So if you want to know how to add YouTube stories, it's really simple. We'll jump on my phone and I'll show you just how you can do it. How's it going, guys, and welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, I am Simplicity. I hope you're having a wonderful day, and if you are brand new to the channel, all about building your brand, business and impact online through social media marketing. So maybe you want to quit that 9-to-5 job, start a side hustle and create a business and a career that you love, then consider subscribing by clicking that big red button down below and join the Creator Nation. And don't forget, if you did enjoy this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Really does help support the channel, helps us get the videos out there so we can reach more people, turning their passion into a career. Right guys, so I'm going to show you how you do it. So we're just going to jump onto my phone here and I will show you how to add a YouTube story. Alright guys, so we have got my iPhone here, and obviously you need to go onto the YouTube app. And then from here, now there's two ways you can do it. You can actually scroll down to where you find the YouTube stories and you can just go ahead and click on create a story, or you can just go ahead and create and click on add to your story. This is just going to bring you up the handy dandy little video thingy-majiggy. This just brings you up the story interface and we can just go ahead and record one. So if we just start one here. How's it going, guys? Have you checked out my latest video? If you haven't, definitely go ahead and check out my new video and I'll see you over there. And there you go, and it plays for you right there. And you can actually go ahead and add text. So if you want to add text to it like you would on Instagram, you can do that. You can add some stickers. So you could do like a coming soon and all of that. And then you just click next, and then you just click post. And that's it. Really simple way you can add a story to your YouTube account. It's definitely easy enough to do just on your phone. It makes more sense to do it that way. Of course, YouTube Shorts is very similar to the stories, but YouTube Shorts, anybody can add YouTube Shorts to their account. So definitely YouTube Shorts is something to look into, and I'll be doing a video on that coming up very soon, so stay tuned for that one. Of course, if you did find this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and let me know if you're able to use YouTube stories or if it's something that you want to look at doing in the future. You can do it on Instagram, you can do it on Facebook, so you may as well do it on YouTube as well. If you did enjoy this video, be sure to check out my other videos because I know you'll love those too, and I'll see you over there. Peace out.